Good day, friends. I want to show you the way how do I charge my battery, my camcorder battery, when I'm outdoor. This is an inverter. It's small inverter, and this is a camera charger. Actually, it's not a battery charger. It's a camcorder charger. As you see, this is a special camcorder. This one probably made in year 2006, probably. Yes. That's how do I charge my camcorder battery. My camcorder, it's my normal camcorder. I use this camcorder every day in each my movie. Now I make a movie on my cell phone, Just 5. Just 5. It's name of my cell phone. As you see, it's a really good way. So I'm gonna show you a charger. I buy this charger in a market for €1. Output 8.4 volts. It's very little, just 18 watts. But it's this charger are definitely good because when I buy a camera, I do not have this charger. I have a USB charger. I have a USB charger. I have this charger. But if I use this charger, this battery, or if I use a biggest battery, it charge very long time. So that's why I use. That's why I always want to buy this charger. But in a shop, I cannot buy this charger. I buy this charger in a market. Also, a lot of chargers are in eBay or Amazon. So I'm gonna show you my 2.5 amps. Wow, it's really good enough. I think so. I'm gonna show you my inverter. I always want to buy inverter because inverter outdoor is very good thing, very good item when you outdoor. Really good. So friends, press like if you like this way how to charge your camcorder battery when you're outdoor. Really good. Okay, and this is my Audi A6 C4 model from 1996 manual. Yes, later about my vehicle. Now I wanna show you my cameras. Okay, goodbye friends, bye bye.